Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this lovely delicious marble cake. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to be using for this marble cake. I have my whole milk, baking powder, eggs, chocolate flavor, cocoa powder, pure cocoa powder, sugar, vanilla flavor, white vanilla, flour, and butter, but I'm using margarine. So here are all the things I'm going to be using. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to be creaming my butter and sugar together. I cream the butter alone first for like 1 minute before adding in the sugar. So I'll add in the sugar and cream them together until it is light and fluffy. So you can see here the color have changed. It is light now and fluffy. You can see the color is no more dark the way it is before. So I'm going to scrape this side. Then after scraping it, I'll start adding my egg one after the other. I'll leave all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box. So I'll continue to cream the egg, butter and sugar together until I'm done with the 4 eggs. And here I've mixed everything together to combine well. So I'm going to be combining my dry ingredients together, which is the flour, baking powder and salt. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of the vanilla flavor. So it's now time for me to start adding in the flour. I'll be alternating the flour with my milk. I'm using 1/3 cup of whole milk. So I'll add and remain a little. Mix it together to combine, but don't overmix. So here is the last flour. I'll mix it, then add in the remaining milk, and we are done with the vanilla cake. I'll be dividing it into two, half part for the chocolate flavor and the other for vanilla. So I'm going to be adding 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder. So I'm going to sieve that. You can see you have to sieve your cocoa powder because of all those particles, all those lumps that used to be on it. So after that, I'll mix it. You see the way I'm mixing it because I don't want to overwork this batter. I add the chocolate flavor 1/4 teaspoon. Sorry, I couldn't show that. So now everything is ready. So I've already lined my pan and I'll be adding it into the pan. I'll add a scoop of vanilla, then add in another scoop of chocolate on top of it. So this is how I'm going to continue to do it until I'm done with the batter, or until the one your pan can contain. As you are doing it, you'll be shaking it so that there will be space for you to continue the process. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. You can see the way I'm doing it and shaking it also. That is how you do everything until you are done with the batter. And here I'm done with the batter, so I'm going to shake it very well, then tap it on the floor, and it is ready to go into the oven. This takes like 40 minutes to get done. It depends on the temperature of your oven. And our cake is ready and out of the oven. You can see how fluffy, beautiful the cake is. So I'm going to cut through for you to see. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you all so much for your support, but I'm begging for this. Don't skip any ad that come with this video. Please guys, don't skip the ad. I really appreciate your support. This will mean a lot to me. Don't skip the ad. Enjoy the video and watch the ad too. Thank you all so much. And if you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. See how beautiful it comes out. See you all in my next one. Bye.